office, Collins says the government owes him. What's justice to you?
Justice would be, by law, people in 100% disability, obey their judges and attorneys, what they wrote in my favor, and what the High Court wrote, and what the Secretary wrote, and pay me all the way back to 75 or 74.
Collins says he entered the Army 38 years ago, but he claims within a month he got injured on the job.
I fell off some stairs, some bleachers in basic training. I hurt my shoulder. I messed up 2 discs in my low back, very bad. It caused me back problem, kidney problem, it caused me all kinds of problems.
Collins says days after he fell, the Army discharged him for being, quote, unfit to serve. But he claims after that his injury kept him from getting a job.
The law says if he is admitted into service, then they still are responsible because they admitted him. They brought him in. They inducted him into the Army. So if he was hurt prior to going in, obviously his condition was exacerbated.
When we looked at court papers from the Court of Federal Claims, the Army claims that Collins experienced back pain related to a pre-existing back condition. And 8 years later, in another case at the Federal Court of Appeals, the VA said that the injury was not incurred or aggravated in service. Collins even admits he signed a form that said he did not meet enlistment standards, but he says it has nothing to do with the fall he took at basic training.
When I went into service, that I was in good health, and I didn't have no conjunction, no burst effect. And from the injury and stuff, this is called the problem I got from then on up until now.
When we called the Jackson VA, they sent us a statement. There are legal and evidentiary requirements that must be satisfied before service connection can be established for a disability. In Mr. Collins' past claims, we were not able to satisfy one or more of the required elements. Since 1975, Collins says he has been to court 4 times to try and get disability from his fall.
This may be for a reason or a purpose on down the line to help somebody else.
In Jackson, Candace Red, 16 WAPT News.
Now we asked Collins about his next step, and he might possibly file a lawsuit.